Okay, so welcome to this week's video. In this week we're talking about my channel, what I want to show on this channel and how I want this to progress. And also in the news for this week we've got the Galaxy Fold and its delay by Samsung and what it means for Samsung's position. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment any questions you might have down below. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. I'm going to try and do at least one, if not two videos a week, bringing you all the latest tech news, reviews and updates. And also I'll leave my link to social media in the description below. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I'll see more regular updates there. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to DomTalksTech. My name is Dom and this is my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit about what I want this channel to be and my aspirations and interests, and a little bit about me personally. So first things first, I'm a uni student and I absolutely love tech. I'm a big Android user and I've used Android phones for many years now. My latest is the Galaxy S10. In terms of tablets, my daily driver is the Samsung Tab S4, which I love with the S Pen support. Writing notes on it for uni is fantastic. I would 100% recommend it. And then in terms of laptops, I love my MacBook Pro from 2016. This MacBook is fantastic. It is great for writing essays, assignments, taking notes. All my lectures are done on that laptop. And I would 100% recommend it because every app I have to throw at it, editing videos, everything, it does perfectly. So this channel is basically mainly for tech news, reviews and updates. It's going to be 1 or 2 videos per week. And if obviously I can fit more in, then that would be fantastic. So let's talk Samsung, and in particular the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So the Samsung Galaxy Fold is Samsung's latest tech innovation. It's a 4.6 inch display on the front, and when you unfold it, it has a 7.3 inch dynamic AMOLED display when it's on it in this unfolded position. So this phone is an absolute tech beast. It comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gig and 12 gigabytes of storage straight out of the box, and then a 4,380 milliamp hour battery, which is absolutely fantastic. Samsung has obviously done some pretty crazy things with this phone. It's put 2 batteries in each side of the phone to create a much bigger and more powerful battery. So what went wrong for Samsung? So in particular, some review units and some reviewers found that their phone display was malfunctioning as a result of them peeling off the protective layer on top of the display, which came with the phone, and it looked and appeared so that it was a screen protector provided by Samsung. However, Samsung have commented on this and said it wasn't a screen protector at all, it was a fundamental component into the screen tech, and by removing it, that's what caused the malfunction of the display. So according to some other reports, one in particular said that there was a bulge on the display, a small bulge on the bottom of the display where something's got into the display via the hinge mechanism, as it is quite open in parts, and whilst it's being unfolded and folded, it's then brought up into the display and caused a massive bulge, and eventually that display to sort of give up. So my final thoughts about this phone, I would not say that despite this delay, this phone is dead. It's definitely going to come out in the near future. I really hope that Samsung takes on board all the review comments, thinks about what went wrong with the display and makes it more coherent to customers about what they need to do with the display, and make sure they do not take off that protective cover, and then making sure that, again, it's more protected so that things don't get into the hinge mechanism and ruin the display. Obviously this is a very expensive phone, so that really needs to be taken into account. So despite these problems, this is a fantastic tech innovation. This phone is fantastic in terms of its performance, its speed, and its obviously design, which is changing the tech industry as we know it. So I really hope that this will be an industry leading change, and more manufacturers such as Apple will then follow suit. Of course, we've got the Huawei Mate X, which is coming out soon, and that phone is similar to the Galaxy Fold. However, the fold is inwards rather than outwards, so the whole display is on the front of the phone rather than inside, and it's protective inside. Thank you very much for listening.